Hello, Professor Corey. Hello, everyone. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving and a great holiday. So today I will talk about my mentorship, which is the participation on the OpenStack Manila project that was presented and framed by Professor Corey and was mentored by Carlos da Silva and Gutham Pacharavi. So just a little bit about me. My name is Youssef Batawi, and I'm majoring in computing technology and software development. I'm currently in my last semester at Valencia College, where I'm finishing my bachelor's degree. This semester, I have had an amazing opportunity to work on a mentorship with the OpenStack Manila project under the guidance of Carlos and Gautam. So about the project, for those unfamiliar, OpenStack Manila is a shared file system service designed to provide file storage to virtual machines. Essentially, it enables virtual machines to access shared storage resources, which is critical for applications that require persistent data across different environments. Manila plays a key role in cloud environments, supporting efficient and flexible data storage solution. So my goals in this mentorship um, was first to just get familiar with the OpenStack projects in general. But after that, I want to gain hands-on experience in the development of the Manila project and to contribute meaningfully to the project. My focus has been on schema validation for multiple requests, which involves setting up specific structures to validate incoming data. Schema validations are essential in making sure that the system only accepts requests with the correct data format and structure, which helps maintain stability and security within the projects. So that's pretty much everything about the project. Tools and language I have been using in this mentorship. Um, Throughout this mentorship, as I said, I have been using several tools to manage my task and improve my code quality. The first and the main one was PyCharm. It was my main IDE, which I'm using to write and debug my Python code. Tega, which is an open source project management tool, is where we track our progress, allowing us to break down tasks and stay on top of our goals. For the code review, we use a system called Gerrit. Um, it's um, it's a version control um, for code review. This tool is similar to Git but is open source and specifically designed for collaborative coding, where each piece of code is reviewed before it's merged to the main or the master repository. Those are the main technologies, but there are others such as Element, where we can contact our mentors for help and ask general questions as well as look at what other software developers posts. Also, before we start coding, our mentors set up virtual machines for us, in which for everyone, in which we had to install Manila from scratch, to poke around and see the structure of the Manila and explore the commands of the Manila project. So for the implementation, since I'm not doing projects, I'm doing a mentorship. Nothing changed on the implementation. The main goal is we get tasks from our mentors to create schemas, and once we create the code, we will push it using Gerrit. After that, the system will automatically do a lot of tests, and it will give us feedbacks. Based on those feedbacks, if we have any error on the codes, we will fix them and we send them back to Gerrit. The system will check back again, everything is okay. It will go to our monitors and they will check the code and give us their feedback if it's good to be implemented or merged to the main code in the Manila. If not, we have to go and see the feedbacks and fix the code again and send it to Garrett. And this is the process. This is the whole process. So as I said, nothing has been changed on the implementation. We just create schemas and push them to Garrett. Um, for the findings and results, as I said, there is no specific findings, but I'm learning great stuff about the Manila project, and I'm grateful for that. And I'm improving my code skills in Python. Below is just small snippets of a code to validate a request to extend a chair size. As we can see in here, I have the function extend request body, which is pretty much the body. The request is a type of object that has properties. The property name, which is always extend, and the property again of the new size. So the requester will has to include the OS extend because it's extending a chair, and he has to include the new size, which is of type non-negative integer. So this is just a small snippet of what the code I've been coding, um, and it's been great. So for technical challenges, of course, no project comes without its challenges. The first major technical challenge I face happened after I installed Manila on my virtual machine. Fortunately, I could not retrieve any output from the project, which means that my setup wasn't working as expected. Thankfully, my mentor Carlos helped me resolve this by setting up a new virtual machine for me, and I had to reinstall Manila projects, which allow me to proceed with my work. The second challenge, which I still see it as it's really difficult, is pushing my code to get it. I had issues getting the code to successfully upload and attempted multiple methods before finally managing to push it, of course, with the help of Carlos and Gutham. This experience taught me a lot about Garrett's commands, persistence, and problem solving in a real development environment. So, for successes and disappointment, as I can see that despite these challenges, there have been several successes throughout my mentorship. One of the highlights has been contributing to the Manila project itself, getting hands-on experience in a live open source project has helped me develop both my coding skills and my understanding of real-world software engineering practices. Additionally, I have become more comfortable working in open source environment, which I'm planning to continue contributing and improving my coding skills. So far, I can honestly say that I haven't experienced any disappointments in this mentorship. Every aspect of it has been rewarding, from learning the technicalities of Manila to navigating the development and review process. If given the chance, yeah, as I said, it's been great. No disappointments. Everything has been great. So yeah, that's it. Um, I did for the project do over. I did personal projects in the semester with two other classes, and to be honest, if I given the chance, I would gladly choose the mentorship over an independent project. It has provided me with valuable insights and practical experience that I wouldn't have gained on my own. Also, I have made great contact with Carlos and Gutam, and I gained really good feedbacks from them as there are experienced software developers. So I will definitively choose the mentorship over the projects, the personal projects. So to conclude, this mentorship has been an incredible opportunity for me. I have learned a lot about the OpenStack Manila project, gained insights into software engineering, role within large open source projects, and improved my Python coding skills. Working alongside experienced mentors has been invaluable. I would like to thank Professor Corey for bringing this mentorship to students and to me, and open a whole world that a lot of students don't know about. I knew about it, but I didn't know how to get to it. So thank you, Professor, for that. Also, I would like to thank my mentors, Gutham and Carlos, for their efforts to teach us pretty much everything they could and being supportive and helpful in all aspects of this mentorship. And it was great to have them as contacts, as they ask us to ask for any help if we want in this mentorship or in future decisions. So thank you so much, Professor Corey. Thank you so much, Gutam and Carlos, and thank you everyone for watching this this video.